2018 was probably the best summer of my life because in that summer I went so deep into meditation, visualization, and introspection, self-introspection. And I was doing self-inquiry meditation. I would start the morning, most days throughout that summer, I would start the day with some affirmations, maybe some gratitude affirmations or gratitude through prayer. Then I would go into meditation, about 20 minutes of meditation. Then after meditation, I would do some visualization, and afterwards I did introspection. And the visualization was such a huge game changer in this whole process of overcoming depression. By that time, I was virtually done with depression. By summer 2018, through all the inner work that I was doing, I was virtually done with depression. I would still feel the energy of depression arising and trying to pull me in. And I would just observe it and allow it to dissipate, without getting sucked in. And excuse me, just a little sniffle, so sorry about that. But the visualization was such a huge game changer for me. Visualization really just took me to the next level, allowed me to level up with my energy, with mental clarity, and just with placing myself in settings that I wanted to be. I visualized myself being at peace. I visualized myself feeling airy, feeling free, feeling released. I visualized myself doing so many things that I wanted to do. And there's so many things that I'm doing right now, and so many things that I have done, and so many things that I'm getting ready to do that I visualize myself doing. I visualize myself in the studio doing the radio program, and I've done that. I'm doing that. I visualize myself on stage performing poetry and so on. I've done that multiple times. I visualize myself speaking to people, groups of people, motivating and inspiring them. I've done that multiple times. And I visualize myself getting married, and I'm on the verge of doing that. So visualization was such a huge game changer for me. It brought me even closer to just being completely rid of falling into states of depression. By that time, like I said, when I went deep into the visualization in 2018, doing first-person visualization, and if you want to learn more about that, I'll put a link in the description box below, or I'll put a link, you could click right up here to check out a video I did on visualization, and also a guided visualization which I have done. So you could click up here or check for the link in the description box below. But what I did was first-person visualization, and where I placed myself into the setting, into what I wanted to manifest. I visualized myself, just feeling how I wanted to feel and being how I wanted to be, doing what I wanted to do. Feeling free, feeling released, feeling airy, feeling happy, feeling light and clear-minded and at peace, having that inner peace and so on, and just being able to convey that to others and being able to inspire others. I visualize myself doing all these things, speaking to groups of people, and I've done that. I've been to a number of different schools. I've spoken to groups of people. I've been a guest speaker at shows. I've performed on stage multiple times, and I visualize myself doing all these things. So visualization was such a huge part of me overcoming depression. And it took me to this close. Like I said, through the visualization, and I would still feel, after practicing and continually practicing, and I still practice visualization, but at that time, summer of 2018, by the end of the summer, I was virtually done with depression. And beyond that, I still felt the energy of depression arising every now and then, but I would just observe it and allow it to be, and that is because of the meditation. So meditation is basically the final step in the series, which is going to be the next video in the series. It's going to be about meditation, mindfulness, and self-inquiry meditation, which brought an end to this whole depression saga. But visualization, like I said, definitely played a huge role. That's why I'm encouraging you to visualize, make visualization part of your daily regimen, part of your self-empowerment routine, part of your daily activity. Allocate some time to visualize yourself achieving your goals, visualize yourself doing the things that you want to do. If you're suffering with depression right now, spend some time, like the way I used to do it most times was first hour out of bed, last hour before bed. But spend some time visualizing yourself free of depression, free of anxiety, free of whatever it is that you want to overcome. And more so, spend time visualizing yourself doing the things that you want to do, right? And all the best to you. Peace and love to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out the videos appearing on the screen right now, and I will see you guys next time. Peace and love. One love. Affirm life.